Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Highlander window. First, let's identify the problem. Is your window completely unresponsive, or does it move slowly? Listen for any motor sounds when you press the switch. Also, a quick check of the fuse box for a blown fuse can save you a lot of time and effort. This initial diagnosis helps determine the best repair path forward. Often, a simple reset can resolve minor electrical glitches. To perform a window motor reset, turn your Highlander's ignition to the on position. Then, hold the window switch down for about 5 seconds after the window is fully closed. Next, pull the switch up and hold it for another 5 seconds. Repeat this entire sequence 2 or 3 times. This can often recalibrate the window's auto-up and auto-down functions. If a reset doesn't work, you might need to replace the window regulator or motor. This involves removing the interior door panel, which usually requires a few screws and some gentle prying. Disconnect the electrical connector from the motor. Then, unbolt the old regulator and motor assembly from the door frame. Carefully install the new assembly, ensuring all mounting points align. Reconnect the electrical components before reattaching the door panel. After any repair, it is crucial to thoroughly test the window. Operate the window through its full range of motion several times, ensuring it moves smoothly without any binding or unusual noises. Verify that the auto-up and auto-down features function correctly. Once satisfied, securely reinstall the interior door panel. If the problem persists after these steps, it is best to consult a qualified mechanic for further diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.